Hey birdie friends. I was going to do a video. So today I have to take my daughter's dog to the vet, and you guys know Buster's extremely difficult for me to put up. And my daughter can usually put him up, but sometimes he'll give her a hard time too, and you know, she's pretty worried about her dog seeing the vet, and I'll get to that in a minute. But I just wanted to show, like, you know, we talk a lot about how much time cockatoos need out of the cage and things like that, and which is true, but there are times when they are going to have to stay in a cage more than usual. And for example, if they get boarded, I don't think they would be out 5 hours a day. So I was just kind of going to show you that I'm going to engage with the boys and spend some time with them. Like, I've been coming in and talking to Buster, and he did his morning thing, his mama thing. So, but I mentioned last night I was going to try some frozen foods to see if he would eat it. So there's a blueberry. We'll see what he does with that. I know he likes lima beans. He likes ice. So it kind of struck me last night that if he liked ice, that maybe he would like, oh, that had a little piece of peanut butter on it. That's why he's eating that. That maybe he would like some frozen vegetables. But even though I'm like talking, you know, more to the camera and everything, I'm still standing here with him, engaging with him, and that, you know, I think makes him happy. So I'll stick peanut butter. Now I give Buster a little peanut butter. Don't use any kind of xylitol with any pets, but you know, get a good organic, no salt peanut butter for them. Do you want another bite? Uh-oh, you don't want that one? How about a pea? Did you eat the pea? Do you want some peanut butter? You know, he's funny about eating with me anyway, but that doesn't seem to be working. One piece of chicken. I knew he would take that. So, at least he did that. Is that good chicken? So I'm gonna stand here with him and talk to him and talk to Earl. And I mean, obviously I can't stand in here for 5 hours, and it's not gonna be 5 hours anyways, but everybody wants to see you eat. Yeah. And Percy actually is out in my bedroom. It was kind of nice because I got to spend, I mean, I get to spend plenty of time with Percy, but I got to spend some additional time because they were up. So that was nice. I took Percy out in the little, what I call the play area, and he wasn't having it. He really didn't, he was kind of afraid. So, is that funny, Earl? Let me take this charger off and I'll show you Earl. You gonna play, Earl? Huh? What are you playing with? Finish your chicken, boss. I have to close the door a little bit. Finish your chicken. Hi. Can you say hello? Oh, Bussy gets jealous. Did Bussy get jealous? Hi, pretty bird. Look, you go over there and bang around your measuring cups that you like so much. I found another toy that Earl likes. I believe somebody sent it to Buster years back, and it just kind of was in the bottom of a toy box, parrot toy box. And I thought I'm going to stick this in there with Earl because he does like to, you know, move your bucket, get your bucket. So yeah, in the mornings now during playtime, he bangs them around. Are you going to come and see me? What's up? What's up, Earl? Hope everybody can see you. I kept his cover like this just to help him relax a little bit. You know, Earl gets a little, you know, unnerved when he's, I don't know if they can see you or not, buddy. Can I have a kiss? And honestly, I could let Earl out because Earl is really easy to put, to take out and put in because of his magic box. You gonna dance? Woo! Do the dancey dance. Do the dancey dance. Come on, give me a kiss. Come give me a kiss. Can I have a kiss? No? No kiss? Now Buster's over there playing with his little frog toy. But they've both been really good. They each had a moment where, oh, look what Buster did to the door. Yep, that's when he's trying to shut the door. That's what he's doing. If you can see him, there he is. Hi, Bus. Somebody asked last night, Condo, see this box back here? That's what Buster is working on when he's, oh, I'm sorry, Buster, I didn't mean to frighten you. That's what he's working on. Mama aggravating you is that box. It was a, my African gray maybe. She came in that box when we went and picked her up. They put her in that box. And we had to take it away from her because she was extremely fearful of people and she would not come out of that box. So when she came out of the box, we took it away from her. We let her have it for a little bit to adjust and then we took it away from her. But yeah, let's, you know, an idea of what you can do with parrots when you have trouble like I do with getting Buster in and out of the cage. And again, I could have done it, but it causes a lot of stress for him. It causes a lot of stress for me. So, and look, it does happen. There are days when your parrots are going to have to spend additional time in their cage. So just make provisions. Talk to him. Come here, Buster. You want to tell me a story? Huh? I'm not Dad, huh? I'm not Dad. Yeah. Look, do you want your block? Come here and chew on this block. Buster, Buster. And when we step out, I will put, I have a little Amazon tablet thing, and I'll put that on and I'll put some cartoons or a movie. I might put Trolls on since Buster really likes that music soundtrack. Yeah, that's what we'll do, huh, Earl? Give me a kiss. Thank you. Love you, buddy. We'll have some time out tonight, right? And I think Dad said when he gets home, he's going to let him hang out a little bit longer than normal. Let him stay up a little past his bedtime. Maybe we'll go see the ladies. Ooh, Earl. You want to go see the ladies? What's the word of the day? So I hope this gives you guys some ideas for times when they have to be up a little extra. And if you're not home, you know, I suggest a radio, or if you have a tablet or TV nearby, cartoons or music. Well, my birds love music, so I always have something like that going for them. I even play like chill music for my dogs. But I'm thinking about setting the camera up when we go, just because, I don't know, see Buster's reaction, because Bo will be in his kennel, and I know last time that happened, Buster, you know, talked to him and things like that. So I may do that as well. Thanks for watching, you guys. Hey, Percy the bird. We've gotten to hang out a bit today, huh? Did you get a little extra time today? Did my head scratch? See if Buster will call me Mama again. He's yelling Mama. It's hard to catch him doing that. Who's so handsome? Yeah, you love scritchies, don't you? You love scritchies? You love scritchies? You gonna sing? He was singing away earlier, wasn't ya? But I was busy with the boys, huh? Yeah. Okay, you preen. You preen. You'll be back out tonight and we'll play. Okay? Sound good? Hi. I wanted to add this on. I just had another discovery. I wanted to give the boys a bath before I left. Can you see him? And I know I've told you guys I have a lot of trouble with Buster drinking water when Ken's not here. And I discovered when I give him a bath with the spray bottle, he's drinking the water too. Maybe we will get to go on vacation someday. I have hope. But yeah, and it almost is, I don't know if you can see, it's almost like a game to him. So I guess maybe it's a little bit of enrichment as well. So, yeah. There we go. Good deal. Oh, you want some more? Good deal, Buster. Good deal. Earl got his back too. Earl doesn't care. He'll drink water. Good job, Bus.